Hey guys, what's going on? We just got this Pioneer 5201 NEX installed in this 2015 Honda Accord, and it actually turned out great. We got it wired into all the controls for the Honda, so we have all steering wheel controls that work on here. Voice controls work, and let's just take a little look at this stereo. Of course, the navigation works pretty good. Got the radio station there at the bottom. Menu here. We don't have a phone connected, but we got it wired down here for the USB and auxiliary. And of course, Bluetooth works great, but when you plug in your phone to that USB, of course, you got Apple CarPlay, no problem. And again, it works out good with the Honda system, because with Apple CarPlay, your voice controls then become Siri after you get that all plugged in. And of course, maps, volume on here, as well as the steer, well, excuse me. But all in all, awesome little Pioneer unit. Seems to fit really good in the 2015 Honda. Wires in awesome as far as having all controls. We still have the backup camera up top, and as well as the Honda turn signal in the mirror over there. So all in all, great system for a Honda. Everything works very smoothly, works nice. It looks like that pops off. But if you have any questions on this system, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And make sure you guys smash the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll keep bringing more videos out to you guys. All right, guys, until next time.